Number line. How the app works. Get familiar with the interface and the basic functions of the app. Exercise selection. Choose from a wide range of test types. Insert into mozaBook. Insert an image of the app into mozaBook.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the number line app. You can move the number line by sliding. With the help of the slider, you can change the scale of the number line. Alternatively, you can choose one of the predefined intervals. Click on the number line in order to place points on it. Click here if you wish to illustrate addition and subtraction on the number line. In order to define an operation, first click on the starting value and then on the result. Click here if you wish to illustrate sets on the number line. Define a set of numbers by dragging. By clicking on the endpoints, you can set if those points should be included in the set or not. Click here in order to display the union or the intersection of sets. Click here if you wish to go to the exercise selection page. There are several exercises to choose from. Click on the tick in order to see whether your answer is correct or not. Click here if you wish to insert an image of the app into mozaBook.